Brent with KansasHydrographics.com. We're back with Pattern of the Week review. We call this black coil carbon fiber. It's 90 centimeters wide. It is a black and transparent print. We're going to be dipping it to white today so you can see the little coils in there. Alright, that's the black coil carbon fiber. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.